Tuesday, December 2nd, and I haven't really done a video in over a week. Dad pulled the other customer's Muskeg tractor back into the shop. He wasn't quite happy with it. We've got the front part of our Muskeg tractor over here moved. Big news is Aidan is back, and he is working on some, looks like some cleats or something here. I don't know why we're working on cleats, but yeah, I'm gonna have to interview Aidan and see what's going on. Good, Aidan. Why are we working on cleats?
I don't know.
You don't know?
We have to change something with the tensioner is fucked up.
Okay.
And so we took that out. And this morning I was greasing the inner wheel, wheel caps, and this one is missing the nipple.
Oh, awesome.
And it's full of dirt. So
awesome.
we were trying to take the cap off, but we couldn't get it off, so
now we got to take off the tracks.
Yeah, there's something else that your dad wanted to do, and I can't remember.
Okay, so you're having fun is what you're doing.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you happy to be back at the shop?
I certainly am.
Yeah, we've missed Aidan for the last couple of months. So anyways, this is what they're doing. I legitimately thought this was ready to go, but not up to Dad's standards. And Dad had me run and get some parts here for the motor. I'll show you guys that in a second here. So like I said, Dad was doing something here. I think he was changing out the thermostat on customer's Bombardier Muskeg Tractor. But yeah, this is the main focus right now. You guys would have seen the other videos with the other two Bombardiers in the out in the yard. We're still waiting on the financing to come through on those two. But Dad, in the meantime, pulled off the valve covers off his 318 here for this machine, and he's been cleaning it up a bit. He wasn't satisfied with the way it was, so he's got a bunch of extra things here that he wants to install new on this. And part of that is the valve covers, and there's a new gasket set that he needs. I'm not the mechanic here, Dad is. I'm just the accountant and videographer. So this is a busy area here, but with Aidan back, that means that once this is done, we can get that engine and transmission in. And I'll be very honest, I was not comfortable with Dad doing this by himself, because I couldn't just run away from work. It's at the end of the day right now, but with Aidan here, then at least Dad can swear at him, but Aidan is young and strong and they can get that done. So yeah, a bit of a surprise. I did not expect this, but it is what it is, and best that we fix it now versus the customer finding out about it, because if they'd found out about it, well, they would have found out about it real quick, and then we would have been held responsible for it. So this is just one of the things Dad does, is just make sure it's all up to his par before we sell it to the next guy. So yeah, they're still working on this, and like I said, we're working on that one and the engine, and those other two machines are on hold until the customers call us and let us know that the financing has gone through. 2nd of December, they were talking about having one at least back by the 19th or 20th of December. So I really hope their financing comes through, because every day counts. And it is cold, 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 cold here right now. Charlie's in the doghouse, and Nina's even spending time inside the shop. She usually likes to be in the doghouse with her Charlie. And hi, baby. And yeah, our little Nina Pinta Santa Maria. And so yeah, busy day at shop. Really happy that Aidan's back. And so here's your shop update for today, guys. So December the 3rd, a Wednesday, And these guys are still working on the bottom half of the 73 Muskeg Tractor. What Dad had noticed yesterday is when they were moving the bottom half here, it was seizing up on the back wheel, and you know what the problem was. So Aidan had to take off the cleats so they could loosen the belt and get at this back wheel. Everything else seems to be okay except this back one, but you can see all the crap that's come off this. Explain to the guys what this is.
Well, the wheel was on here and the bearing was seized, eh?
Yeah.
Like it had been wet for a long time,
Okay.
and of course nobody greasing,
Yeah.
so I had to cut the race off
Wow.
without damaging the shaft.
Yeah.
And this is where the seal rides. So now I'm going to clean all this up, emery cloth it tomorrow, new seal, bearing, race.
Okay. Have we
And,
got the seal, bearing, and
Well,
race in stock?
We can get them. I don't think so.
Okay. Anyways, this is what Dad took off here. Hopefully we can replace that
This is
bearing, race, and seal. Don't throw that out because we might need it. But,
I gotta clean this up to get numbers.
Yeah. So yeah, that's how rough it all looks like there.
So all we're gonna do now, Aidan, is pick up all the stuff we don't need, put the light away, and sweep up in here. Right? To pick this up because we're gonna have to put this on table.
Anyway, so luckily it's just the one, and this is what these guys have been up to all day. There's another wheel there.
Well, that's the one we cut off.
Okay, so it's two wheels. There's one there and there's one there. But they this is what they've been after all day. Now, on the Bombardiers, this is a simpler task. This obviously hell of a lot different, but a lot of work. Thank God Aidan's back. He can do all the heavy lifting, and this would have taken Dad a week to fart around with. So other thing is, we got to get this machine out of here at some point real quick. Just heard back from the financing guy, and the financing was approved for the two Bombardiers out in the yard. We've already done 2 videos on those guys, or 3 by now I think, and well, we've been waiting to see if they're going to get financing. So in the meantime, Dad was doing a little bit of work here. I think he was changing out the thermostat and want to do some other improvements. I hope he's done with this. I haven't really checked in with him on it, but we got to get at this. They may only have a couple of days. Those guys coming up are going to be helping out as much as they can because they have to. If they want their machines back at any time of in a reasonable amount of time, they have to come and help out with the labor and the heavy labor. Because although Aidan's back, he's just one man, and again, Dad's 83. He's not going to be able to tackle all that heavy work, especially with the tracks. From what I understand, we're rolling in the red wide gauge first. I have to double check on the year. I think it's a 55, but we're going to have a very, very, very busy pre-Christmas here soon enough. And so, yeah, there's the phone. So I got to go.